already February. I kid you not, guys. These years just keep flying by. Comment down below if you just think time moves a little too fast and sometimes you just want it all to slow down so that you can breathe. I honestly just want to spend time with my family and chill out and just have more time to just breathe and just do the things that I love to do. January really showed me that it's important to take time for myself, to do the things that I need to do to have a successful life, or just to have a relaxed life, an intentional life. I had a few pretty awesome moments this month. I am super excited because I actually started reading again. I'm currently reading this book called The Good Kings by Kara Cooney, and it's truly interesting, very informative, and I am also very proud of myself because, quite frankly, I never thought I would be able to make more time in my schedule in order to read. Especially this year, it's been very hectic, but I definitely made some time in my schedule. Some of the low points currently that's been going on, I had to quit my dance classes, something that I really wanted to do. For one thing, I realized that in January, this month, I've just been pressuring myself so much to just stick with a schedule, and I think these past couple of days I've just been more focused on relaxing and having a few priorities throughout the day, and if something just doesn't get done, I just say, okay, well, it just didn't get done, and I just move on with it. I think that is something that I want to carry throughout 2022, definitely. February, I decided to go with the theme of the Lunar New Year, and I'm pretty excited. The reason I chose this theme to go with is because at the school I'm currently teaching at, the kids are doing a Lunar New Year festival, and they have put so much effort into it, and they've been working super hard on it, and it just kind of inspired me to do something a little festive for this month in regards to the Lunar New Year. I drew that little tiger on Procreate, and I was actually quite shocked. I didn't draw him, let me be specific, I traced him. But still, who cares? Tomato, tomato. Some of these stickers I kind of made in Keynote as well. Let me know if you would like a little bit more information on how I did that. But I made some of these stickers in Keynote, some of them in Procreate, and then I just went ahead and used them to decorate the month. Something I have definitely realized about digital planning is I have kind of fallen into the trap of trying to find the quote-unquote perfect planner. I definitely think that this is a trap because there's no such thing as the perfect planner in my eyes. But I thought that I would do away with this in digital planning, in the digital planning world, but honestly, I don't think I did. I think it makes it actually more convenient to try new planners all the time when you have a digital planner. You kind of want to keep buying more. I find this a little bit frustrating because I don't necessarily like spending money, but at the same time, I do realize that I'm kind of new to digital planning, so maybe it's this aspect of me being new to digital planning that makes me sit here and try out new things. The planner that I was using beforehand, it was a little too complicated for me. This planner that I have now is a little bit more simple and it's a little bit more streamlined. And I also love the fact that it's in portrait mode instead of landscape. I feel like that's more versatile than having it in landscape mode. So I kind of like this one a little bit more, and I think that I can see myself using this one a lot more. Comment down below which one you prefer, if you prefer portrait mode or landscape mode planners. For this month, I decided to do a mini mood board instead of a full-on vision board. I just wanted, one, to fill up the space below my calendar, and two, I wanted to kind of make it pretty, make the whole spread a little bit prettier with some images and some reminders for myself. So I went ahead and I just did a mini mood board instead, and I think I like this a lot more than doing a big, huge mood board. Now I'm going through the stickers and I'm just finding this sticker of a frame, picture post-it frame. I don't know what they're called, guys. I don't know what they're called. Polaroid. That's the word. The Polaroid for pictures, and I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back throughout the month and I'm just gonna add pictures of those of that week, specifically something interesting that happened during that week that I want to include. And this is the final look. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Let me know down below what other kind of content you'd like to see from me. Happy Lunar New Year, guys. Bye.